us one more song, and I'm going to break my own rule and ask you if you would play one that I'm going to request.
Okay.
Would you play Quietly Led?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah, totally. So this song, I'm glad you asked for that. This song was one of my early songs of not trying to be too logical about how the chorus worked. And it was also the first song where I realized that my right hand of my guitar could create some energy if I just figured out how to make it more of a percussive instrument. Some days my life comes together, then it all comes apart. I am told I have ambition where I should have art. I have something on a long rope, swinging wide either way. I don't know what's passing through from what's here to stay. And I have quite a history chasing after rainbows, thunderstorm at the other end. If I don't learn the first time, I won't learn the next time. Well, God did not make cautious, gave a lot of thread to mend. Someone read my mind out there, take my hopes and dreams and build me a prayer. Can you find the words to the madness in my head? I'm a little bit lost, a little quiet. Quietly led. These blue eyes, they get grayer year after year. It sure ain't from lack of trying. No one got lost in here. And I am told that I tried too hard. It isn't lose or win, and no one can get lost. You're always rushing in. Someone read my mind out there, take my hopes and dreams and build me a prayer. Can you find the words to the madness in my head? I'm a little bit lost, a little quietly led. Quietly led. You know, I think someone was lying when they called the world round. Feels like one short corner and a long way down. You are taking my ambition, if you're taking on my heart. If you can't really read my mind, you know they do not come apart. Someone read my mind out there, take my hopes and dreams, build me a prayer. Can you find the words to the madness in my head? I'm a little bit lost, a little quietly led. Quietly led. Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Charlie. Thank you, everybody.